We got issues with the Trans Am this morning. Let me show y'all. My security light is off. Nothing. Car is in park. Maybe neutral safety switch. And it all started when it got cold. So I have a spare starter. I got a really good feeling that's what's wrong with that car. So this starter is an OG starter. It is old. It came with a 4.8. Ain't no telling how old it is. I really think this is the problem. So we got the starter installed. 215 millimeters. Made sure it's tight with a hand ratchet. Made sure everything was clocked. So I think we're good to go. Let's just go test it. Okay, back in the car. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see. Yep. All right, I'm not going to start it because I got the car on ramps, but let me get everything down and we'll pull the car out.